Hello, that's Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice Marsh gray coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with a chrome appearance package, mobile office package, bed utility package, and the tow and haul package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get lovely chrome accents along this vehicle with rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, backup camera. Got that nice bed with a tailgate step, mud flaps on the rear and front, gripped running boards on either side with blind spot detection, spotlight, turn lane indicated, side view camera. Moving to the front, we got a black hood deflector with front park sensing, license plate bracket, recovery hooks, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpet interior, flat fold storage system with cup holders, outlets, rear vent, 120 volt, and of course you get a lovely split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, tailgate lights, spotlights, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 8 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, photography screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have your main screen, which does have My View, trip and feel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we got our storage here. Plenty of it. Cup holders, wireless charging with some outlets. With the mobile office package, you do get an interior work surface. Put your food, laptop here. Totally up to you. Got your storage below. We do get your rear locking diff, drive modes, and four-wheel drive. Trailer brake, pro trailer assist with your climate controls, dual climate up front, heated front seats, 12 volt, 120, storage above, below, on the dash with a lovely powered rear window opener. We got our auto stop, auto start, hazards and tractions with 360 view of the vehicle where you can go for different camera angles. Looking here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM. Got your phone controls, your navigation, Fave apps, messaging, email, any apps in general or apps you may have downloaded will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KD26671, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.